A balanced sitting position reduces the load on your back, neck and shoulders. To sit correctly, you should have an upright seating position. Tip the seat forwards and lean the backrest back so that the hip angle is 100 to 110 degrees. This means that the center of gravity of the body is closer to the spine, which relieves the load on the discs and spinal joints and reduces the load on the hip joints. Set the lumbar support so that it follows the shape of your back. Adjust the seat so that it's a fist's width away from the back of your knees. Move the entire seat to a position where you can press down the pedals fully without straining. Adjust the steering wheel so that it's as close as possible to your body. This reduces the forward torsion on your body, relieving the load on your back and neck. Good blood circulation is essential to ensure the muscles receive nutrition and acid and function as they should. You can carry out a few simple exercises, but only if you aren't jeopardizing traffic safety. Roll your shoulders backwards in large circular movements to increase blood circulation and relax tension in the front body muscles. Raise your shoulders while inhaling. Then, relax your shoulders while at the same time exhaling. Repeat a few times. Press your shoulder blades down and together. Pull your chin right back and stretch your neck. Tension your buttock muscles, raising your sitting position slightly in the process. After a long drive, it's worth setting a few minutes aside for stretching exercises. You'll soon get your blood circulation going and improve the suppleness of your body. Stretch your neck. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat a few times. Twist your head as far as possible to the right and left. Stamp your feet a few times before getting out of the vehicle to reduce the risk of blood clots. Make a point of wearing good shoes with a good grip on the heels and elastic soles. The risk of damage to joints and discs is high if you jump down from the cab. Climb out backwards and hold the handle. Meals served at roadside places aren't always the best. With a little thought and by changing some of the ingredients, you can improve your meals in terms of nutrition and energy. A hamburger is always welcome, but an entire menu with a fizzy drink or beer and chips contains far too much energy. And energy which the body doesn't need is instead deposited round your midriff. By cutting out the chips and fizzy drinks and adding a green salad and other vegetables or fruit and drinking water, you remove the unnecessary energy which doesn't give you any nutrition. Regular snacks will help keep you satisfied and maintain concentration all day. Fizzy drinks and sweets provide short-term energy kicks, but the effect soon disappears. Whole grain bread with a good topping, yogurt with a low fat content and fruit will give you energy which lasts longer.